this session, we're going to discuss about JavaScript data types. First of all, JavaScript is a dynamic type language. That means what? You can define a variable called x and put a value number inside it. So x equal 5. After that, you can assign a string to the same variable which it was x. So the new value of x will be string. That means of dynamic type language. Let's move on to two categories inside JavaScript. First of all, primitive values, and the other one, non-primitive values or reference values or object. It's up to you. All right, so what's basically primitive values? Primitive values, first of all, Boolean, which is basically true or false, or a number. Number could be anything, could be integer, could be float, could be double. I mean, integer, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Float or double, we can talk about 1.2 or 13.5. We are talking about fractions, okay? String could be a word or a phrase. Null means that variable doesn't have any value. But listen, undefined means that JavaScript doesn't know what's inside this variable. Could be empty and could there a value, but we don't know what's over there. Not a number, we are talking there is no number inside it. And symbol, we are talking about this variable have a symbol. Perfect. Let's move on to the next categorization, which is basically object. Object maybe have object, maybe functions, maybe arrays, maybe dates, or even collections. Don't worry, we will discuss all of them throughout our sessions. All right, let's move on to another categorization. We can categorize to mutable or immutable. The first one, mutable, means can it change a part of its value? We are talking here about objects or arrays. You can change a small part of that array and leave all the other are the same. Immutable means value is a whole mass. We are talking here you cannot change small part of its value. Something like a number. We are talking here about number 3, number 5, number 7. You cannot change part of it, even though we are talking about string or we are talking about Boolean.